Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you a stitch called Picot stitch. Now in this pattern, you can see the projections over the shell stitches. So this forms the Picot stitch. Now let's see how this is worked out. Now we will be skipping one stitch and working a shell into the next. The shell consists of 5 double crochet and we'll be working the picot stitch on top of the third double crochet, that is the middle double crochet of the shell stitch. So this is the second one and this is the third double crochet. Now we'll be working a picot stitch on top of this. For that, work 3 chains and going to the top of the third double crochet worked in this manner. Pull the yarn through it and work a slip stitch. So this forms the picot stitch. Now again work 2 more double crochet into the same stitch. Now skip the next stitch and work 1 single crochet into the next. So in this way I have worked a picot stitch on top of the shell stitch. Now again skip the next stitch and work a shell of 5 double crochet with a picot stitch on top of the third double crochet. So I worked the 3 double crochets, work 3 chains and going to the top of the third double crochet, work a slip stitch and work 2 more double crochet into the same space. And skip the next stitch and work a single crochet into the next. So this is how a picot stitch is worked out. Now you can use these stitches for giving a beautiful bordering to the blankets, shawls. You can follow the same pattern sequence as I have done over here to give a nice bordering to those crochet projects as I mentioned earlier. Moreover, you can use this picot stitch to give a pointed edge to the petals of the flower in this way, as well as to the leaves as I have done over here. So these are the places where you can use this stitch. So I hope this tutorial was really very useful as well as easy. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.